This example looks at calculating a wage when there is overtime involved. We have a table here to help with the setting out of the work. Always start by writing out your formula and then identifying the values that you need for that formula. We can see here the total hours worked, hours at time and a half, and hours at double time. Put these into your formula to calculate the total number of base hours. Now, the base rate of pay needs to be worked out. So we have our base hours, which we've calculated, multiplied by our hourly rate. Multiply those together and you will get a pay for those 23 hours. Put this in your table. The next cell in our table is to help calculate the pay due at time and a half. Again, write out your formula first, substitute in the values that you've already identified above, and then you're going to have to round your answer to the nearest cent. We can't get paid a half cent. Put this in your table. Next, we need to calculate the pay due at double time. We're going to take the 2 hours that were worked at double time, multiply by the base rate and multiply by 2 to get the amount of pay due for the double time hours. And lastly, we need to calculate the total wage that will be going to F. Smith. You're going to add all of these values together that you calculated earlier and come up with the total wage, which would be before tax.